The long summer days are getting a little bit shorter. And those early morning rides are starting to get a little bit darker. So lately I've had to provide a bit of my own light. I've always been a big fan of Olight flashlights, and I carry one regularly with me. Currently I'm carrying an Olight S1R Baton 2 in brass. That was a special limited edition that they did last year. So when Olight reached out to me recently to see if I'd be interested in helping build awareness around another one of their promotions, I was more than happy to help out. It gives me an opportunity to pass on some of the savings that they offer on these special limited edition runs to all of you, and provides an opportunity for you all to contribute by using the links that I put in my description to help support this channel. So as part of this current special promotion for August, I'm highlighting a couple of the flashlights that they have. First, they sent me one of the Olight S1R Baton 2s. It's an orange one with the aluminum housing, so it's a lot lighter, in fact about half the weight of my brass flashlight, with all the same features that I have and have grown to love on my S1R Baton 2. And that one actually I've been using, and it mounts really well on my helmet. I also use it regularly working in the shop by just sticking it on my hat for those times that I need to be able to see things just a little better. So it's a great flashlight to have as part of your everyday carry. And this orange one is kind of a cool color. My youngest son, whose favorite color is by far orange, thinks it's awesome. The second flashlight that I wanted to highlight and that they sent out to me was the M2R Pro Warrior. And this is the one I mounted it on my handlebars for the ride lights. What's cool about the M2R is that it has a max output of 1800 lumens, which is just crazy bright. And in fact, I ran it at the high mode on my rides, which is at about 750 lumens, which will last 160 minutes, which is crazy long time for that bright. And it worked great. In fact, the lower setting at 250, which is one of the two mid-range levels, was actually more than enough on a trail. With both of those too, there's an opportunity for a few other promotions. You can get also one of the small, it's a AAA battery flashlight. It's the i3T EOS flashlight that they have, which is a great one to carry in your pocket. And then there's another promotion deal around the S1R EOS flashlight, which is a real little keychain type flashlight. Both of those are also great, fun flashlights. The promotion that they're doing is actually going through from today, which is August 13th, 2020. I believe it goes then through the weekend. If you click on the affiliate link that I have in my description, it'll take you to their website and will highlight any of the current ongoing limited editions or promotions also. So don't let those shorter days or dark mornings stop you from getting out on your bike. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.
I've been lost far too long. I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned it
Morning, guys.
back on me, it seems. Rather
Morning, Carson.
hold me up,
How you doing?
I'm falling
Good.
down. Have you ever felt like someone was meant to be somewhere else? Caught inside a state of mind where nothing's really making sense. That's why I've been left here on the ground.